testing a battery with a multimeter. Make sure to connect your leads. The black lead goes to the COM port and the red lead goes to the input. Once under the hood, we can remove the terminal cover. For more no-fluff, value-added automotive how-to videos, make sure to click the subscribe button. As a thank you for doing that, here's a truck doing some donuts. Locate your positive battery terminal and your negative battery terminal.
And set it to 12 volts.
Set your multimeter
DC.
to 12 volts DC. A healthy battery will read between 12.4 and 12.6 volts. If your battery is reading lower than this, make sure to check out the video on screen now.